Address the increasing threat posed by the coronavirus, Brown County health officials joined with Oneida Community Health Services to talk about what you can do to stay healthy.
And Local 5's Erinn Taylor was at that news event, and she brings us the latest.
Currently, there has not been any person-to-person spread of COVID-19 in Wisconsin.
Health officials say the risk of contracting COVID-19 or coronavirus in Wisconsin is still low.
But there are still many other respiratory illnesses, such as influenza, that are circulating.
Even with the low risk level, local health agencies are working with state and national officials
to continuously monitor the COVID-19 situation. We're working to quickly identify and test anyone who may be infected to ensure they receive the right level of care and are isolated to prevent any additional transmission.
Those experts would help determine the next steps if a case were discovered in the area.
As far as quarantine, monitoring, taking care of finding all close contacts.
But as far as other respiratory illnesses go, local officials say there is plenty you can do to protect yourself and your community.
People who are sick should stay home from work, school, or childcare until they are fever-free for 24 hours without medication.
They also recommend frequently wiping down surfaces with a disinfectant, covering coughs and sneezes with a tissue or sleeve, and washing your hands frequently.
And in regards to influenza, it's not too late to get the flu shot, and we highly encourage you to do so if you haven't already.
And if you live in Brown County and have any other questions about coronavirus or any other respiratory illness, there's a website for that.
It's a place where you can just go and find information related to what's going on with COVID-19.
A place where you can keep up with the latest in a developing situation. In Green Bay, Erinn Taylor, Local 5 News.
Thanks, Erinn. And to find a link to Brown County's new coronavirus-centered website, you can head to our website at wearegreenbay.com.